Hi, boys and girls. We are working on graphing again today. So, today we're going to take a survey. That means you're going to go and ask people around your house what they would choose. So, today we're going to talk about our favorite fruits, but we're only going to choose from apple, orange, and strawberry. So, we are going to look at apple, orange, strawberry, and which one is liked the most and the least. So, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to make a prediction or a guess as to which um, fruit we think will be chosen the most. So, I'm going to choose apple. I think apple will be chosen the most. So, that is what my vote is for. All right. So now it says let's organize our data. So the way we're going to do this is I am going to use my pictures to fill in my graph. I'm also going to type in my number for how many people chose the different ones. So I have my cards here from all the people that I asked, and I wrote down what they chose. Okay, so let's see, I have an apple, I have an orange, another apple, a strawberry, an orange, another orange, another apple, another strawberry, another orange, another strawberry, and one more apple. Okay, so I had 3 people that chose apple. So I'm going to put the number 3 in this box. I had 4 people choose orange and 3 people choose strawberry. So now I'm going to move my fruit pictures to my graph. So apple, I said 3, so I'm going to move 3 apples to my graph. 1, 2, 3. For orange, I had 4 people that chose orange, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I had 3 people that chose strawberry. 1, 2, 3. So we took a survey. We asked people what their favorite was. We collected our answers. Then we wrote down how many we had for each. And then we used the pictures to create our graph. Let's look at the next slide. So in this one, it gives us a graph. And we're going to use this graph that is given to us to answer some questions. So it says, the graph shows the data that Marco collected. Exactly blank people voted for oranges. So let's look at our graph and figure out how many people voted for oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write the number 4. The number 2 says blank more people voted for strawberry than apple. So this one, I'm going to have to look at both my apple and my strawberry pictures on my graph and see how many more people picked strawberry than apple. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apple on this graph, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strawberry. So I can easily see that this is where my 2 groups have the same amount. So strawberry has 2 more than apple. And my question number 3 says, a total of blank people voted for apples and oranges. So for this question, I'm going to have to count all my apples and all my oranges. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people voted for apples and oranges. So we used our graph to not only make a graph, but to read it and to answer questions. You're going to do the same thing today with gathering some information by taking a survey and creating a graph.